Okay. Hi, my name is Don Hosmer. I'm with G&D North America, and we're here at the InfoComm 2018 showing our KVM extension and switching equipment, which consists of generally CPU units and CON units for users that connect to a matrix switch, where we then can transport KVM over to any endpoint that we need to. In addition, we're showing our KVM over IP solution, which is 4K-60 over a 1 gigabit network, and our control center IP unit here does the translation between the G&D protocols and Ethernet packets. You can get additional information at our website at www.gdna.com.